everyone, Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. It's quite a cool, miserable day today. You know, I had to go to the post office this afternoon because I sold the little pink cardigan that the cable one, the one I have a new pattern out for. And I had to take it to the post office this afternoon and never realised how cold it was. You don't really notice it when I come out of my house and I go straight into my garage to get my car, and I'm straight into the car, so I never notice. But I couldn't get anywhere near the post office. There seemed to be cars all around. I think there's a lot of workers somewhere around the place, and that's where they're all parking around around the back lanes and that, in the where they can get near the area where they must be working. So I had to park. I had to go right round past the post office and round the back lane. So I had quite a long block to walk back to get to the post office. And you know, I just had my dress on and this cardigan. I had to button up the cardigan because it was freezing. And my skirt was blown up. The wind, it was very windy as well. My skirt was blowing up, so I was fastening my buttons further down and that to keep my skirt down. I couldn't believe it when I got out of the car, how cold it actually was to what it's been. It's unbelievable, you know, the weather we get in this country. But anyway, I posted it off. But I have a little video to show you. I'm going to show you all the little things I have to put in my shop, which they are going to go on to Etsy for now. I may try something on Ko-fi just to see how it goes later on, but what I have now I'm going to put onto Etsy. So I've just made a little video just to show everybody so they can see. You've probably seen them all before because I show everything when I knit something. I show you it. But I've been building the stock up, so I'm just going to show you what I have to put on. And if there's anything at all that anyone wants before they go onto my shop, just send me a message, an email, and I will keep it for you before I put it onto the shop. But anyway, I'm going to stop this video and then I'll show you the little video with all my stock on. Just a little video to show you some of the things I have in my shop that will be going on to Etsy. I've tried to build up a little bit stock. This one here, I'm afraid, has been spoken for. This was the latest one that I did. I'll be posting this one off this afternoon because a lady's already bought this one. So that one is not for sale. So I'll put that one down. But this is what I do have, just to let you see what's going to be in the shop. This is a 14-inch little one. It will fit a small new baby. It would probably last them about a month. That's that one. And the same in a 16-inch. This will fit a baby up to 3 months old. So that's that one. And another 16-inch. It's another one that'll fit. It's on the boy's side, fastened on the boy's side. That will fit the same again, up to 3 months. And this one was probably more like a 17-inch. That's a 16-inch. And I actually knit this to a 16-inch, but it came out larger, so it's probably about for a 17 to 18-inch, that one. And I was doing a little hat with this, but I haven't finished it yet, so And that would probably fit up to about 4 or 5 months. This is an 18-inch little sweater, and that will fit 3 to 6 months. And this is a 19-inch. I knitted to an 18-inch pattern, but it came out larger, so I had added a little extra to the length in the sleeve, so that will probably fit probably about 3 to 9 months. Little hat to go with it. And this is the 20-inch. The 20-inch will probably fit 1 to 2 year old. And another 20-inch for a little girl, this one. Like you see, in 1 to 2 year old. And that's the cardigans and sweaters that I have. And this is one of those ear warmers come headbands. This one would probably fit about a 6 to 10 year old. It's a child's one, that one. And then I have 1, 2, 3 scarves for any ages. You can have them for a child or an adult. They're long enough for either. As you can see, that's 3 times folded. They're all folded 3 times like that. So that is what will be on my Etsy shop, which I'll be putting on soon. But if anyone wants anything before it goes on the shop, just send me a message and I will let you know how much they are and how much you have to pay for them. Well, that's my stock that you can all see, and this little cardigan I'm knitting may go on as well, because this is the second sleeve. I have all the other pieces done. That's the back. One front. Two fronts. One sleeve. And I'm almost up to the armholes on the second sleeve, so I'll probably get that one finished by tomorrow. It is 3:45 at the moment. I'm going to bingo tonight, so I'll only be doing these things for a little while. But I'll probably get this finished. I may possibly get the cardigan finished. Crossing my leg over there. So I will be doing what I can of this before I go out, and probably take something. I'm going to hunt something out to take to the bingo with me to knit during the break. And that I did get a little bit more of the rosebud cardigan. I think that was on about 10 inches when I measured it last night. I haven't done any more of this yet. I've lost my tape measure. Oh, there it is. I keep moving things around and I never find them when I want them. Oh, it's almost 12 inches now, so I did a couple of inches on it last night. Put that back down there. And that's just a little bit today to let you see what I've been doing and what I will be doing. And hopefully me, Molly and Anne might be lucky tonight at the bingo. It's best if you can have a bit of luck when you go to these places. We used to go to another place before. The place we go to now is called the Union Jack Club in Throckley, but me and my friend Anne went somewhere else before that for quite a while and we never won a thing. We seem to be more lucky at the Union Jack, so that's where we will always play bingo now. But anyway, thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time, so bye for now.